The first time Mia saw Daniel, he was late for class. He rushed in out of breath, holding a coffee. The coffee spilled on his notebook. Everyone laughed, except Mia. She smiled and said, "First day problems?" Daniel looked at her and smiled back. You could say that was the beginning. They sat next to each other in class. They studied together in the library. They had lunch under the big tree behind the science building. Mia always brought fruit. Daniel always brought jokes. "I think you just come here to eat my grapes," Mia said one day. Daniel laughed. Guilty. They said they were just friends. Everyone else saw something more. When Mia got sick, Daniel brought her soup. When Daniel missed home, Mia wrote him a letter. "Just friends don't do this," their roommate said. But they shook their heads. "We're close," Daniel said. "She's like home," Mia added. One night, it rained hard. Mia didn't have an umbrella. She stood under the building roof waiting. Her shoes were wet. She was cold. Then, Daniel appeared with a hoodie. "Here," he said, putting it over her head. "You'll get sick." She looked at him, quiet. "Why do you always take care of me?" she asked. Daniel looked down. "I don't know how not to." Final exams came. Everyone was stressed. Mia stopped coming to lunch. Daniel studied late alone. They started to drift. Only a little, but it felt big. After their last paper, Daniel sent a message. "Can we talk?" Under the tree. 5 p.m. Mia read it twice. Then she replied, "Okay." The tree was quiet at 5 p.m. The campus was almost empty. Mia sat on the grass. Daniel walked up, holding 2 oranges. "Still your favorite?" he asked. Mia smiled. "Still yours too." They sat in silence for a moment. Then Daniel said, "I missed you." Mia nodded. "I missed you too." Daniel looked nervous. "I lied," he said. "We're not just friends. I like you a lot. I think I have for a long time." Mia's eyes filled with tears. "I know," she said softly. "I felt it too. I didn't want to lose what we had." Daniel reached for her hand. "You'll never lose me," he whispered. "I promise." Mia held his hand tight. "You're my home too, Daniel." They stayed under the tree until the stars came out. No more pretending. No more just friends. Only 2 hearts finally honest. Together. "Let's learn some new words from the story, shall we?" whispered. "This means to speak in a soft, quiet voice. Promise. This means a strong decision to do something or not do something. Alone. This means without anyone else. Suddenly. This means quickly and without warning. Forever. This means for all time, without end." If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to learn English through Stories with Jennifer. We post new English stories every day to help you speak better and understand more. Join us again tomorrow.